How to make responsive image gallery with a modal window for displaying images in full size. The HTML structure consists of a gallery section and a modal section. Inside the gallery section, there are multiple gallery items, each containing an image. The modal section includes a modal container with a close button, navigation arrows for switching between images, an image element to display the selected image, and a caption for displaying the title of the image. That CSS file provides styling for both the gallery and the modal. In the gallery section, Flexbox is used to create a responsive grid layout for the gallery items. Each gallery item is styled with a flex property to control its size within the grid. The modal section is styled to cover the entire viewport with a semi-transparent black background color to create a modal overlay effect. The JavaScript file adds interactivity to the gallery and modal. It selects all gallery items and attaches a click event listener to each one. When clicked, the modal is displayed, and the clicked image is shown in the modal along with its title. Similarly, click event listeners are added to the close button, navigation arrows, and gallery items for switching between images. When the previous or next arrow is clicked, it updates the model image and caption accordingly. Overall, the code creates a responsive image gallery with a modal window for displaying images in full size.